Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The square root represent about 1 over 2 and we can put like this. Next, if we want to put this one on numerator, we need to put the negative on the power. Now we have the formula in here. So capital A, the small a, that is about negative number 3 over 2. And we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.